What up, Melo? How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Good.
Carmelo Anthony and LAX Sports Explosion!
You know, it's the 10-year anniversary of the 2003 draft with you, LeBron, and Dwyane Wade.
It was a great one.
Perhaps the greatest NBA draft in history. LeBron went number 1, Anthony number 3, Bosh 4, Wade.
Whatever happened to Darko Miličić, though?
It's the legend of Darko.
Oh, Darko.
Yes, in 03, Darko Miličić was drafted number 2, which is fitting because he played like crap.
The guy's name was Darko? Is he?
He's European, it's okay, but his game was not. Hailing from whereveristan, Darko thrilled fans with career averages of 6 points, 4 rebounds, and probably loads of Drakkar Noir, which would be fine, except
he got drafted before Carmelo, and Dwyane Wade, and Chris Bosh.
which makes him a bona fide bust.
He might be the best guy named Darko to ever play basketball, though.
He's at least top 5 Darkos.
Unfortunately, he came in 6th to Donnie Darko and that weird rabbit. Anyway, whatever happened to Darko?
I don't know. I think he went back overseas.
Yes, with his tail between his legs and over $40 million in career earnings.
I'm uncomfortable with talking. They keep saying Darko.
Get over it. It's the legend of Darko.